Hello everyone, I am Dr. Farhad Zulfikar. This is part of my educational content videos. Here I am trying to encourage the use of data science for social good. We will use data science for making a race bar chart. In this video, I will talk about the use of data science to make a race bar chart by taking example of the spread of coronavirus disease, also known as COVID-19. The details about coronavirus, its origin, spread, economic cost, and way outs are discussed in my previous video, which is linked above on the left corner. Here I will discuss in detail each step for making a race bar chart. We will use Python Jupyter notebook. The data sources and complete code are shared at the end of this video. Data science provides important real-time information for timely decision making. Using data science to comprehend coronavirus spread through race bar charts will be helpful for health services planning. Race bar charts can be made either through Python programming, which is completely free of charge, or other paid services such as Flourish. This video will focus on using Python programming through Jupyter Notebook because it can handle big data and has awesome processing speed. Jupyter is widely used by data scientists. Let's get right into it by making race bar chart. It is fairly straightforward. Firstly, you should have Python installed on your system. Then you need to install Anaconda. From Anaconda, you can open Jupyter Notebook directly. You will also need image magic in order to get your final output in the form of GIF. I have already installed these systems in my system. You can easily Google the installation procedure. So let's stick to our purpose here of making a race bar chart. So first of all, you will need to install the Jupyter Notebook. After installation, you can open it directly from here. I will write Jupyter Notebook. You will open it. It will open in your browser. Here I have Chrome browser. After all the installations are complete, you can either start from scratch by opening a new notebook, or you can upload the Jupyter notebook, which I will provide in the form of codes, and the code files have been uploaded in the link provided in the description of this video. Make sure you use my code in the link below instead of other codes, as other codes miss calling on important libraries needed for this bar chart race. Then you can download the updated data from the link provided in the description on COVID-19. Upload this data from the home screen of Jupyter Notebook. After that, just run the code. So here is the data which is available on this Kaggle website. This COVID-19 data, as you will see that the data is available here. You can just directly download the data from here. Once you press this download button, it will appear like this. I am saving it on desktop. Now I have the data, and you can download the notebook from this my website, which I have provided. Here I am downloading it and saving it on desktop. So now I have both of these files. The data file, I will extract it on the desktop here, and I will extract the code file here as well. It's in this folder. I will just copy it and paste it on the desktop. Now you can go to your Jupyter notebook, upload the data and code at the same time. Here, code, data. Once you have uploaded these, you can open your Jupyter notebook. Here I have provided the original tutorial, which is on the medium.com, but be sure to use this tutorial because in the older tutorial some libraries are missing. The updated data can be downloaded from Kaggle. So here I will import all the libraries first. Let's run these libraries. Then I need to load the data set which I have already provided, COVID-19 data. Just run this, then just run all the codes available here. After that, in order to use common country names, I have changed the long names to short names. For example, instead of mainland China, we have China. Instead of, you know, for example, Republic of Ireland to Ireland, such as these. The details you can see in the code. And this is the data we will get. Now we are going to practice what we have got on this Diamond Princess cruise ship, which was docked on different ports initially when this coronavirus started. When we run it, you will see that the progress in the growth rate is here. Then we'll organize different countries by region as well, and then we'll try to color each country. And let's see what we have got. Once we run all this code, we'll get our initial results here. As you will see that different continents are colored differently. Then we have total 94 observations starting from 22nd of January, and then we'll run our final function. We see that we have got our bar charts but not a race bar chart. So a little bit more programming, and here we'll wait for our race bar chart. You will see that I have given it a command that it should save the animation in the form of COVID-19 race bar chart. Once it is done, it will be saved in the main page, which is home page of Jupyter Notebook. So now we wait for this race bar chart. As you will see, it is pretty straightforward. We have all the code, the data is freely available, and once you run the code, you will be able to download the animation with the name of COVID-19 race bar chart in the form of GIS in the main page. And if you are a Mac user, instead of running this command, you should run this command, and you will get the same result. So we'll wait for our final outcome, which will appear right over there. So our race bar chart will appear here in the output window, and our GIF will be saved in the home page of Jupyter. Once it is available in the home page, you can download it and save it on the desktop and use it for your whatever purpose it is. So we have got our result, and you will see that the race bar chart is available right here. So you can just click and download it. I'm downloading it on the desktop, save, and then I'll open it. Here we have, you will see that it is running. The last observation will be on April 25, and then it will rerun. So that is fairly straightforward how we get our race bar chart using data science. Thank you very much for your time, and happy learning and using data science for social good.